But it is based on putting myself in situations and places where things I love exist, or something that resonates with me or clicks with me. And one of those on my, I think it was the second road trip I took, was a decision to go to Laura Ingalls Wilder's home in Mansfield, Missouri. And
Mm.
I had, just eat, slept, and breathed those books as a kid. My mom had taken us to the library every week of my young life, and those were books I checked out over. I mean, I've probably read them all a dozen times, right? So I was Laura in my mind, right? I was
Right.
Laura. And when I found that her house was someplace that I could visit, and it was her house that she owned with Almanzo, where she did all her writing and where Rose grew up.
Mm.
Um, I decided to go. And the funny part is that the place was closed when I got there.
Oh
But
no.
I was able to walk
There's a
the
good
grounds
tip.
and look in the windows and everything and read all of the signage. And it just was like this crazy out of nowhere moving experience for me. It was like worlds colliding or something. I don't know, but and I think that really was part for me. That was such a passion, wonder moment for me that really helped me make the decision to write the book too.